Lavinia Hospital, good morning. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kitsay naghatag. Kitsay naghatag ni ma. Unsa day imong kuan, ma'am? Toy. Ay sa cardiac ni ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wala ra ba tay today ay karon, ma'am? Saturday. Walay technician. Sige. Yes, ma'am, Monday to Friday, pero karong Monday, ma'am, kay wala sad ang technician, holiday, di siya mag-duty. Thank you. Magpagwapa na sadta, guys. So naata diri blush on from O2O, and then lip balm, and then lipstick from koan Bear from Barin Bliss. Okay, so oh sa ako ang now, guys, I only use this Myra E from I only use Myra E moisturizing cream. So maura na ang naas akong nawong karon, guys. Then all we have to do is put a lip balm first sa ako ang lips, and then followed by Barin Bliss lipstick, guys. So it's just a simple coloring sa ako ang guys, para naa sad life ato ang nawong, diba? Ita murag patay tan-aon. And then a little blush on my face, and then here and here. So that's all, and then let's blend it on later.